Good Monday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior summer forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. This is the daily video forecast discussion for your starting Monday of the work week on the 11th of July, 2016. Waking up to the birds and the sun across the region out to the west, but most of the area is predominantly clear this morning, and it's comfortable. We've got dew point temperatures in the 50s, air temperatures in the low to the mid 50s, already climbing into the low 60s in the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. In fact, the mid and upper 60s here as we get into New York City and points east, and also across the Philadelphia and the I-95 corridor down through Delaware this morning. Visible pass of the GOES East satellite as it works its way over the region this morning as of this early morning here, generally showing mostly clear skies, a few high scattered clouds across the region, and some dry sinking air in place across the region as well, as high pressure is in control and no precipitation. Morning surface chart from weatherrowandoak.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows the high pressure ridge now building in across Pennsylvania. This ridge of high pressure will be in control of our weather through most of the week until it exits the coast during Tuesday and we return to a southwesterly flow. More humid conditions will be overspreading the region as this warm front gradually makes its way closer to our region by Thursday. And as a result, with a cold front coming in on Thursday evening and Thursday overnight, we're going to find some showers and thunderstorms across the region at that time. On the aviation weather deck this morning, everybody's in VFR, and we're expecting this to continue throughout today and tonight. Light northeasterly winds as high as about 10 knots, and that's not very high at times. Isolated slightly higher gusts not out of the question. Winds should shift to the southeast late today and remain under 10 knots during tonight. A sea or bay breeze may impact some of the terminals such as Atlantic City and Millville and Wilmington, with a temporary switch to wind direction for a few hours around the middle of the afternoon. Tuesday, continuation of mostly VFR, southerly winds at 10 knots. Wednesday and Thursday, locally low clouds and fog possible each early morning, otherwise VFR. There will be some showers and thunderstorms possible during mainly each afternoon and evening, especially northwest through southwest of Philadelphia. Friday, a few showers and thunderstorms are possible, which can result in times of brief sub-VFR conditions. Right now outside of Newark, it's beautiful. 66 degrees, dew point 57, humidity comfortable at 73%. The wind is northwest at 8. A few clouds at around 6,000, otherwise mostly sunny skies, VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia is up to 66, dew point 55, humidity 68%, wind northwest very light at 7, clear skies, VFR conditions in place. Surf zone forecast for the New Jersey and Delaware beaches. There is a low risk of rip currents today. Sunny skies, high temperatures in the lower 80s. Beach winds out of the north at about 5 to 10. Surf around 2 feet. Great day to go to the beach if you're off on vacation or taking a day of vacation. Surf temperature is 71. UVI index very high at 9. Sunscreen a must. And again, rip current risk is low. High tide cycles begin after 1 o'clock this afternoon. And for you allergy sufferers, grasses, dock, and plantain are primarily the pollens that are broadcasting on the low to the medium side right through the week. General seasonable weather will continue throughout most of the week with showers and thunderstorms on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, possibly again on Saturday. Most of the week is going to feature near normal temperatures, especially over the interior. A few spots getting into the 90s as we head closer to the midweek period. Right now for today on Monday, temperatures again low to the mid 80s, normal highs around the mid and upper 80s. So we're not that far. The only cooling will be along south-facing beaches of Long Island and Connecticut, and also New Jersey's coastal areas as well, right along the immediate coast. There could even be an afternoon and early evening sea breeze across the immediate coast, probably not making it too far in the inland areas. On Tuesday, temperatures again in the mid and upper 80s. Wednesday, we get a little warmer, more humid. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s, close to around 90, but the real heat will probably come on Thursday ahead of the cold front with some showers and thunderstorms and a prefrontal trough approaching from the west, and temperatures in the around 90 degrees in the urban centers and mid and upper 80s pretty much everywhere else. Friday could be the hottest day of the week with a west wind down sloping off the mountains. Temperatures are in around 90 over the interior, upper 80s to the coast. Saturday, again, a southeast to southerly flow of air. Temperatures near normal in the mid to upper 80s. And Sunday, it's going to be nice. Temperatures again in the mid 80s to around 90 degrees. GFS maps into motion. High pressure is really going to be dominating our weather throughout most of the week. The only fly in the ointment will come probably later on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening with a prefrontal trough and a cold front moving into the region. This would be for Thursday night, and the GFS not showing a whole heck of a lot of rain with this, but there could be some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms around Thursday afternoon and evening as this makes its way off the coast. A cold front will move through sometime on Friday and then move off the coast and stall out to the south and west. Right now, it looks like there could be another wave of low pressure that develops on this front and moves over the forecast region on Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon before the low moves off the coast and the front sinks a little bit further to the south. That front won't stay around too long to the south. It will return as a warm front again by later Sunday and Monday, so there's chances of showers and thunderstorms again in the forecast for predominantly early Monday. I think Sunday for right now looks mostly dry across the region, and that gets out of here on Monday afternoon, and then just a return to more normal temperatures. And again, nothing substantial sticking out here in the forecast. A return to warmer, more humid weather. Maybe not to start next week, but definitely to begin the early part of the week as another frontal system approaches with a short wave by the middle of next week. So you have yourself some very fine days coming up over the next couple of days. Again, the fly in the ointment will be Thursday afternoon and evening. We'll be monitoring for that. Otherwise, if you're on vacation, it's going to be perfect weather. Get out there and enjoy it. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a fantastic Monday.